Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Metamask to Ganache. Start by launching Ganache and noting the RPC server address and chain ID. Open Metamask, choose Add Network, and paste the Ganache RPC URL and chain ID. Import a Ganache private key into Metamask or use an account created in Metamask and send test ETH from Ganache. I will walk you through each click and setting in a calm, friendly way. First, get Ganache running and copy the RPC server and chain ID. Next, open Metamask, go to Networks, and add a custom RPC using those values. After adding the network, select it and import one of Ganache's private keys into Metamask so you can see the test balance. Finally, verify the account shows test ETH and try sending a simple transaction to confirm everything works smoothly and reliably. If Metamask cannot connect, double-check the RPC URL, port, and chain ID for typos or mismatches. Restart Ganache and reload the Metamask extension to refresh network lists. If transactions still fail, inspect gas settings and the Ganache logs for rejected transactions or errors. Keep a backup of private keys you import and never use real funds on a local test network so you can safely iterate and debug your app development process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.